In this video, I'm going to share with you how do I organize and plan all of my YouTube videos using Notion. I'm somewhat of a newbie when it comes to Notion. I started using it when I started making YouTube videos because it was a really easy way and efficient way in order to plan and organize YouTube videos. So whenever I have a video idea, what I will do is I will put everything inside of this database. And what I really like about Notion is that I can organize different tabs so I can kind of see it in a different view. So for example, if I want to organize based on the progress, here are my first drafts. Here are things that I haven't recorded yet. So for example, lifetime PC user switches to Mac for 7 days. I also have videos that I've already recorded. I have videos that I've already posted. So I can kind of see the videos that I've done and kind of track my progress there. So whenever I get a video idea, I will always come in and do a first draft. Now I actually use the Hive framework in order to plan a video, which I actually stole from Ali Abdaal. Make sure to check him out if you haven't already. Fantastic YouTuber. Each of these components, hook, how do I actually bring someone in to watch the video? How do I hook them in? What value do I actually bring to this video? So why are you actually watching this video? And the end screen sales pitch. Do I want you to watch different videos? Do I want you to watch that video, that video? So there are different things that you can actually put there, but I'm always thinking about these things when I actually plan my YouTube videos. And so once my first draft is done, what I'll normally do is I will literally start my video making process. And so the first part of that video making process is I actually have to record my YouTube video. What we can see here is exactly what I've done. I have to get out all my softbox like this, my little microphone right here, so you can hear me right here. And then all of these things are set up. And then once that's done, then I will literally put you here on my tripod, get back in my chair, set up all my lights and say, "What's happening, guys? Matt here, back with another video," and all that good jazz. Now, once all that's done, normally what I will do is I will open up Premiere Pro and start editing the A-roll. Now, once I actually finish recording all of the A-roll, what I'll do is I will come into this section here, which allows me to kind of plan all of the different B-roll shots. Now, I really like the table that I have here, where I kind of plan each individual B-roll. What I normally do is I open up Google Docs and I kind of record every single text that I say, and then I copy it into this document here. And so basically what I'll do is I will copy in the quotes word for word, and then in here, I will plan what type of different B-roll that I actually want. What type of shot do I want? Do you want a high angle? Do you want a low angle? So that's what this is for. So close up, medium, long, high. I plan the angle before I actually do it. Here is whether it's completed or not, and here is the location. Where do I actually want to record this location? I also have bedroom, kitchen, the gym, or outside. And so all of these I normally plan beforehand, and I can plan all of the different gear that I bring for the day. So for example, camera, tripod, studio lights, etc., etc. So what we can put there is we can put a filter which says completed means finished. And so if it's finished, it's not going to show up on my B-roll that I actually have to record, and I can sort it based on the location. So everything that is in the same location, I can record at the same time. It makes more sense to record things in a row rather than doing things bit by bit and just like trying to record this in this room and this in the other room and this in some other room. Now, once my B-roll is all done, normally what I do then is I plan all of my stock shots, which I normally use using Pexels or something like that. After all of that is done, I've basically finished editing, and that is when my video is ready to get updated. So that is exactly how I plan and organize all of my videos on side of Notion. Personally, I really like Notion and the entire ecosystem. I really like all of those different tags and different sorts that you can do inside of Notion. If you're thinking about some videos to watch right now, make sure to check out this video right here, which I'm telling you everything that I'm trying to do in 2022. I'll see you over there.